Hey guys, Raven here again. Welcome back to another apartment hunting vlog. This one, guys, is not an apartment, but this one is a condo. And this is not for rent, but this one is for sale. So, napakaganda ng unit na to, guys. And this is brand new one-bedroom condo sa Rochester, Pasig. So, unit details, it's one bedroom, brand new, never been used. So, napakaganda, napaka-fresh. Turnover date nito, guys, February 2020. It's 24.2 square meters of living space. So marami siyang amenities, gated community for your safety and privacy, definitely. Swimming pool, meron ding gym, kids playground, events hall, basketball court, and it's very near local market. Grocery and drug stores, conveniently located near BGC, napakalapit. Easy access to C6 Road, very, very accessible. Tapos guys, ideal rin 'to for Airbnb, business. So if you are someone na naghahanap ng pangnegosyo, ganyan, gusto mong mag-start mag-Airbnb business, perfect din 'to sa'yo. Napakaganda ng location and ang hangin, ang ganda ng ventilation. Lalo pagbaba mo, hindi talaga siya toxic na area. So, apakaganda dito guys, and the pricing or asking price is 4.2 million. So, valued to ng 6 million, pero 4.2 lang siya and negotiable pa yon. If you guys are interested dito sa unit na to and if you are planning to invest sa real estate, plano mo na mag-start mag-real estate, this is the perfect condo for you. So, let me know if you're interested guys kasi napakaganda ng unit and again, hindi pa siya nagagamit or hindi pa siya natitirahan. So, kayo talaga ang unang gagamit or kayo ang unang titira dito sa unit na 'to. If magustuhan niyo siya, just let me know. So, ito yung kanyang playground. So, kung meron kang kids, i-imagine mo diyan, ang ganda ng pool, napakalaki ng pool, guys. And akyat tayo sa kanilang events hall. So, silipin natin siya kasi maganda dito kapag dito ka nakatira. Pwede mong i-rent yung events hall nila with, of course, very discounted na price. So, just message me on my Instagram if you're interested dito sa unit na to so we can talk about it. And again, guys, I'll see you on my next video. So, ito yung events hall. Napakaganda. Aliwalas, no? Yun lang, guys. Bye for now.